Alright, so I know most of you struggle with the hanging indentations on the works cited page, so you're going to start out with something that probably looks similar to this. Make sure you're double spaced, works cited is centered at the top. So to do this, it just takes a few steps. I don't know why it's so difficult, but it is. So you're going to go up here to your first line, hit the tab, go to the second line, hit the tab. It'll take your cursor back to the first line. Hit backspace, then you'll have this. Then go up here to this top bar, don't grab the entire thing, and bring it back to where your margin begins at the gray. And that's what it should look like. So then unfortunately, you're going to have to do it to all of them. Okay, so that's what your works cited page should look like. Let me know if you need more explanation on that. I don't really know how else to explain it, but I can try. So just make sure you're doing that correctly. You really need to know how to do this for college. I was easy on the last one because I wasn't in person to help you, but you really need to know how to do this. So again, let me know if you have problems.